Yeah, we can pull this one out already. There you go. That's the Vtech Solenoid. Hello guys, welcome to All Over the Mechanic. And today's episode, we're going to replace a gasket for the Vtech solenoid valve there at the back. It's quite hard to see, but it's leaking. And I'll show you the part number for this one. Yeah, this is the part number for that gasket. Yeah, that's the part number. I'll try to open it so you can see the gasket. Okay, yeah, this is the gasket. Yeah, with a small strainer at the bottom. And a gasket rubber gasket. Yeah, that's how it looks. And this one is notorious on Honda engine. Yeah, even a CRB1 or a Honda Accord or a Honda like the same engine of this one. This one is a notorious for leaking. So yeah, it's quite hard to see there at the bottom where's the leak. But yeah, I'll take a video so you can see what's going on there at the bottom. But yeah, this is the gasket. Okay, I'll show you here at the bottom, the one that we're gonna remove. That one, the connector, we're gonna remove that one. The gray connector, and also the bolt there. That's the, I think that one's for the bracket bolt to hold the bracket, 10 mil, and I think two connector, the gray one and the green one there. I'll show you the green one. Yeah, that's the green one. We're gonna remove that connector also, gray and green. And here at the bottom, we're gonna remove the three bolts. Yeah, I think that's the 3 bolts, and you can see at the bottom there's a leak. Yeah, there's a leak of engine oil. Yeah, it's quite messy at the bottom because it's it's leaking the gasket. Yeah, that's the one that we're gonna remove, the 3 bolts. And the one at the side for the cover. And yeah, the connector here, the gray and the, I think that one is a green and gray. And yeah, that's, yeah, I will remove it. So and also I think we're gonna remove that also, the clip there on the cover, like a plate cover. We're gonna remove that one also. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna remove that one now. Actually, I cannot video that one because it's quite hard to put the video here, but I will try my best. Remove the connector, green one. And where's the gray one? There you go. Yeah, it cracks the clip. Yeah, crack the clips. It's quite fragile here because it's quite hot here. Okay, now we're gonna remove this bolt here, the cover. This one, 10 mil. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna remove also the this one, plastic thing here, lock, so it will separate later on the metal plate. There you go. Remove the clip already. And now we're gonna remove the 3 bolt there. Okay, the best tools for this one is swivel type ratchet. This one is a 3/8 drive and a 3/8 socket, 10 mil. And yeah, don't use open wrench here or box wrench because rounded the head of the 10 mil here, freaking hard to remove. So it's better use a socket, 10 mil socket. I'll try it. And the best way is this one is the swivel type, so you can angle it. Okay, so in. Yep, I'm gonna try to crack it. There you go. Yeah. That's one. That's one. And two more to go. Okay, so it in, bracket. There you go. Oops, remove the bolt. Okay, there you go. Okay, last one, the bottom one. I cannot feel the last one. It's better. I'm gonna remove the bolt first. I'm gonna remove the two bolt that's loosened already. This is the first bolt, longer bolt. Okay, the last one, that's the one that here. That's the one that I cannot put my ratchet out. That's the last one there. Crack it. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's number 3. There we go. That's number 3. It's number 3 bolts. Okay, still there's a lock here for the one lock here for the wiring here, and it hold the steel plate bracket here. So yeah, we're gonna leave the bracket here, the steel plate bracket, and we're gonna remove the Vtech solenoid. Yeah, we can pull this one out already. There you go. That's the Vtech solenoid. Okay. Yep, that's the one that I meant, the clip for the wire. Yeah. It's quite hard to remove, so I just leave it there, including the bracket. Okay, that's how it looks. Yeah, freaking, the gasket is like flat already. That's why it's leaking here. You see, it's leaking here. You can see there's a leak at the bottom. That's the leak came from here, the bottom. Yeah, that's the solenoid Vtech. That's how it looks. And yeah, it's a matter of freaking, it's dripped the oil there. So yeah, that's the one. It's a matter of putting this one back, putting this one here, and putting back on the reverse order. And I think that's it. That's it for this video, guys. I will just not video the installation because it's quite boring, and yeah, still it's a matter of putting back together on a reverse order. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press like again, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And please subscribe, guys, to help my small channel grow. And that's it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Oliver, signing out. Sa Diyos ang lahat ng kapurian. Oh, I have a... I never feel that one that I have a scratch there. See you guys.